Facebook, YouTube. So, you know, I wanted to talk to you about something, release some information. As we all know, information is very valuable these days. And I'm a giving person, you know what I mean? I like to give. So I like giving information for free. Like, if you can use it and it can make your life better, if some of the advice that I've given you over the past few months, maybe even couple years, that's probably helped you, all right, that's good on me, you know what I mean? Now, I'm not gonna say I'm right all the time, you know what I'm saying? I don't know everything. I ain't God, feel me? So what I have been told, you know, and other people have expressed that, you know, in certain areas of life, as far as, you know, investments and investment ideas and stocks and bonds and Bitcoin and all that whatnot, they kind of value my opinion. Not kind of, they do actually. So, you know, I was like, yeah, that's my worth, you know. Like, I'm really good with my brain, and I'm good with, you know, with my brain as far as coming up with good ideas and thinking, how would this become successful? Now, at the same time, you know, I'm trying to use the information that I've acquired to gain my own success and create my own success story, you know, in due time. But if I can help other people along the way, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got to do what I got to do to help you guys out as well, because y'all my family. Love you. So, information that I got for you today about Bitcoin is its recent price jumps, right? So recently it's made price jumps between 17,000 plus and as low as 12,000, around those two, maybe even 11,000. But the fact of the matter is that the price has been fluctuating between those two levels, right? And it's gone up to the 17,000 area twice in the past 6 months. It's probably gone up to 17,000 in the past 3 months. So what I want you to notice and realize that there's a trend going on now. Like, there's actually a trend being created as we speak. Now, which this trend basically means there's going to be a high probability of one thing: the price continuing to rise. That is what this trend may very well mean. Now, I could be wrong. I could, you know, the price could drop down. But overall, I think Bitcoin is going to continue to rise. But as far as in the near future, as far as like the next couple months and the next year, everybody's trying to figure out, well, where's it going to be at? You know what I'm saying? This is my opinion. This ain't facts. This ain't written in stone, you feel me? This is just my opinion. In my opinion, I feel like the price is going to make another jump. How much of a jump? I have no freaking clue. But I do know that it's going to break above that 17,000 barrier, because that's where it's at right now. It's in the 17,000 barrier right now. 17 is my favorite number. 17 is my lucky number. I like that number. So that's why I have a good feeling about this. So that's why I feel like a lot of people need to jump on this right now. Like, life is about, you know, taking risk. You know, you sitting at the table and you think your partner over there doesn't have 2 aces. There's an ace on the board. You have an ace in your hand. You may have a strong king, queen. The fact of the matter is, you're sitting on a pretty good hand right now. looking to make another move, because you don't want to stay stagnant in the game, you feel me? You want to come up, right? So right now it's a volatile moment. It's a volatile moment in Bitcoin right now, because it could go either way. The price has been fluctuating at a fast pace, and faster than a lot of people have seen in any type of investment period. So, you know, you gotta I say follow your instinct on this. Me personally, I'm about to drop a lot on Bitcoin. Now, when you buy Bitcoin and you also start trading amongst other cryptocurrency coins, know that, yeah, you're gonna make some profit off of trading between different cryptocurrencies, but as long as Bitcoin is doing good, all the other coins are gonna be doing good too, because you have to get to Bitcoin first to actually get to the other coins. I mean, there's some places where you can actually exchange cash for another type of coin, but essentially Bitcoin affects the prices of all coins. Bitcoin is the node, you feel me? Bitcoin is the one that nobody can touch right now. Like no other coin is gonna surpass Bitcoin in anytime soon. So you had to keep watching Bitcoin. It's gonna go some places. The other little coins, yeah, you're gonna make some profits here and there, but everybody's got their eyes on Bitcoin. So you want to stay focused on Bitcoin, at least for now. After that price jumps, start looking into some other coins. Or you could do like a lot of people are doing. I say put majority of your eggs in Bitcoin. Don't put all your eggs in that basket though. Majority of your cryptocurrency eggs need to go in Bitcoin though. And then next you need to go to some other coins. Like one of the coins that I like is Dash. And why I think Dash is pretty good is because of the so a very reputable name in cryptocurrency, Amanda B. Johnson. I definitely got a lot of information from her, you feel me? So she knows what she's talking about. So yeah, I'm one source, not one person. And you got Trade Bitcoin. He's showing me a lot of good stuff, like the whole BitConnect thing. I mean, I really got interested in it, but you got to be careful that you don't invest, or no, you got to be careful when you're investing in HYIPs, because a lot of them are, I say 80% of them are scams. And what type of scam it is a Ponzi scheme. Those are mainly what HYIPs are. But at the same time, can you still make money off of it? A lot of money, real fast. Heck yeah. But you got to be extremely careful with those, so don't touch them if you don't know what you're doing, right? So, but anyways, back to the trend in Bitcoin, right? So it's made 2 big spikes, and both of those spikes were going up to around the $17,000 area. And the second time, it looked like it was trying to break that barrier. It was trying to break its barrier again. So that's the volatile moment that I'm talking about right now. It's already jumped up to 17,000, dipped back down. A lot of people got in again. Now it's going back up to 17. So now the question is, do you jump in again and get the real come up? Because that's what I think, you know what I mean? Because there's speculations that Bitcoin is going to go up to 100,000. Speculation, not facts, opinions. But a lot of people are saying that. There was speculations, not facts, opinions on whether Bitcoin was going up to 10,000. I had a lot of faith in those opinions. So therefore it happened. Now I'm not gonna say because of my opinion, my faith in it, that it happened, but you know, like, I just believed, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just took a chance. You know? Took a risk. are gathering together, and they're, you know, getting capital together to invest in this big idea called Bitcoin. And it's really making a move on the economy right now. It's really shifting some things, and people are actually making money. Like, the lower class people are making money, middle class people are making money. Who knows if the upper class, like the high life class, is making money off of this? Honestly, don't really care. But on to another topic. Let's talk about stocks, right? Stocks. Let's talk about stocks, because yeah, you know, Bitcoin is a great investment, but like I said, like my mom said, don't put your eggs in one basket. You feel me? So stocks, and what you need to realize about stocks, and when people try to figure out where I need to go and buy stocks, where do I need to go to figure out to get the information that I'm getting into the right stock? You'll know it when you see it, but first you got to be looking for it. So that's one thing you got to do. You can't just ask people for the information and then just expect them to just have the answer on hand, on standby, like plow. You know what I'm saying? Like, it takes time, it takes research for you to figure out this information that I'm actually dispelling to you right now. So my recent endeavors into the stock game, right, is mining companies. So why I'm interested in mining companies, I just recently made 10% gain off of a lithium and cobalt? Either cobalt or lithium and cobalt mine company. So why invest in mining companies? You should look into a whole bunch of mining companies, because that's like the essence of where everything is coming from. Like the stuff that you use, the things that you drive, the phone that you got in your hand, you know what I mean? Like lithium, what do you think lithium is used for? It's used to make batteries. It's used for the batteries in your car. It's used for different types of various uses for various equipments. Cobalt is a very, very important resource used, and I had to look it up again what it's specifically for, but there was some recent news that there's a high demand for cobalt.